You ready to take your car detailing to a new level with Undrdog Soap? I'm going to show you how right after this. All right, with our soap, you can use 1 ounce to every 1 to 1.5 gallons of water, or 1 ounce in a foam cannon. So if you're super specific, you can put it in a measuring cup and you can put it in your foam cannon. And then I'm gonna show you what this looks like foam-wise, and I'm gonna show you how I do it. Okay, so this is what 1 ounce super specific measured looks like. All right, soap is cheap though, so let me show you how I like to do it. Super specific here. And I'm gonna show you what this looks like. I can't even grip anything, my hands are so slippery. All right, my hands are a little soapy, so I'm gonna try not to drop everything. So what is Undrdog Soap good for? Well, it's good for stripping waxes and greases prior to an Undrdog coating application. It is safe for the coating after to maintain durability, and it can also be used on boats, cars, or even around your home. So what are you waiting for? Get some Undrdog Soap today.